OMC got one simple wish to be like the Flame Emperor. Why? Because this guy can walk into a room, drop a one-liner and set everything on fire, literally, because he is the biggest hero of that era. Meanwhile, our MC, he is the kind of guy whose most rebellious act is eating cereal with a fork. If this were a story, the Flame Emperor would be the main character and our MC, well, he be the guy who tripped on his own shoelaces in chapter 1 and gets forgotten faster than your ex's birthday. But then everything goes sideways. One day while watching an interview of his hero, the Flame Emperor, something in our MC just snapped like full on, flipped the table, but he cannot afford a new one. But instead of that, he starts screaming, if I had just one skill like the Flame Emperor, I would not be F-class, stuck with all the human furnitures. Just at that moment, a card appears before him, a golden card, and not just an ordinary card, an S-rank skill card. You know the card you sell your soul for, assuming your soul wasn't already in the bargaining bin, means you already sold it. But there's something special with that card. You have to die, means if you want someone's skill, then you have to die by their hands. It's basically like you better get ready for one-way ticket to the afterlife. The next day, our MC meet his hero, the Flame Emperor, and surprise, 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 he gets murdered. Like, wow, I didn't even know the human body could explode like that. But the good news, he copied an S-rank skill. The bad news is the skill is basically the cosmic version of bad alarm clock. If you die within 24 hours, you get rewind by time exactly one day. Awesome, right? Except for the part where you have to die for it to work. So what does our genius MC do? He start opening himself like it's some kind of twisted self-care routine. Wake up, eat breakfast, die, rewind, repeat. And just like that, it's like a groundhog day, but with a lot of more splattered cut. He keeps going back further into time until he rewinds all the way to a 6 year before the Flame Emperor even gets his first rank skill. And now OMC got a new plan, kill the Flame Emperor before he becomes a legend, because when you cannot beat someone, murder them before they even arise, means nip the evil in the world. And here's the kicker, while OMC busy planning in his next hero assassination attempt, you're probably sitting there thinking, wow, time travel must be cool, right? Yeah, you are not getting any magical rewinds, cow buddy. You are stuck here in reality, where the closest you get to rewind time is reading that drunk text before they read it. Meanwhile, OMC over there hitting reset on life like he's playing the world's most messed up video game. But hey, look on the bright side, at least you don't have to blow up yourself daily just to fix your own mistake. So somehow it might not sound bad. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more updates.